Welcome to this tutorial. To get started, let's import a video clip first. As you can see, this is just a small clip that I will be using for this tutorial. In VSDC, you can use three basic tools, namely cut, split into parts, and crop, to perform basic editing tasks. To perform the cut operation, we first need to select the portion of the video that we want to cut off. This can be done like so. You can select any region, and once you're happy, simply press the cut button. VSDC will cut out the selected region and join the rest of the video. Similarly, you can also remove the video up to the cursor location. Simply adjust the cursor up to where you want the video to be removed and select the Trim Start option. You can also remove the video from the cursor position to the end by selecting the Trim End option. Similarly, to split a clip into two parts, we can use the Split tool. Make sure you have the video clip selected and then move the cursor to the exact point where you want to create the split. Then you can select the Split into Parts option. This will divide the clip into two parts. After that, you will have to deselect both the clips by clicking anywhere else on the timeline, and then you can move them individually. Finally, for the Crop tool, first select the clip that you want to crop, and then press the Crop Tools button. This will open a separate window, and you will have to decide a region for cropping. Once this is decided, simply click OK. Once you click OK, the editor will remove anything that is not within the region. It should be noted that the crop tool is applied to the entire clip. You cannot crop certain parts of a single clip. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. Thank you for watching.